Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from the Dollar Tree. But before I show you that, I forgot to show you one item from Tuesday morning that I got on President's Day. I forgot to show that one. But I found this one. And that is the skew. So, nice set of dies on the magnetic strip. You can store it, got the binders right there, and for $6.99, 11 pieces, and it's upside down. Can't beat that. So I forgot to show you that. So, I bought 6 more of these because these go in my little, what's they call it, the Rascarg cart, whatever, the Michael's version. This is my handy tray. Finally got another one in this size, but this one holds a 12. It's 12, it's 14 by, I think, 10 or something. Almost 12 by 12, but it's not. But I like this because when I'm working on projects, I have a couple of these bins on my table. One is for my equipment and tools, like my tape runners and glues and stuff like that, bling. The other was for my cut up papers, and then one is the actual project working on. That keeps me organized. So I like having these on my table. And then I keep one that may be a work in progress, or I don't feel like working on it right now, but I'm on another thing. So yeah, so I can just grab these bins and work on what I need to work on. That helps me. Now, I got sick, and so all the stuff in here that I got. So I was having orientation for my staff, and I had this little treat bag that I was making them, and I can't even remember now. I'm too sick to remember. But each item had something like related to, I guess you could say mental health. Like the mints were supposed to mend relationships or something. I can't even remember. It was corny, but it was cute. And so I have all this stuff in here. Like, we're going to play an M&M game. I don't know if you've been to a training. They do the M&Ms, like, you know, you get a red one. You got to talk about something you enjoy or something that you did last week or whatever. So you have different things. So I was going to use that for the icebreaker. Of course, I told you I was sick. I can't even remember all the... It's a little poem thing, but in it, starbursts were to be a burst of energy or something. I can't remember all the things. The erasers were to get over whatever you've been through. I can't remember. I'm telling you, I'm so out of it. But gum was one of them. So I had all these things that I bought. So I'm going to have to wait till next month, put it in little bags. So that's why some of the things that I have in here, like the markers and the pom-poms and the sponges with the soak in, the learn, the tissues. I forgot what each one of them stood for. But anyway, the rubber band was to be a lasting light. The candle was let things melt away. I can't remember. But anyway, having said all that, what did I have in here that I want to show you? Oh, ribbon. They have some chevron in different colors. Nice spring colors. I hadn't seen that one at my store. And then the last thing was this stencil wheel. You can come in, Spider-Man. And then you actually just turn it. Sorry, Spider-Man is in the background. He the one who got me sick. And it has different things that you can... I got you sick? Yeah. Like you don't know that? I didn't know I got sick. Really? Who been sick all week? Me. Exactly. Now who's sick now? Me. So anyway, that's pretty cool. I saw that somewhere, somebody posted it, but anyway, so we finally got it. But anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.